Need to fix gas app won't let me unlock card. Then in today's video, I'm gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, check whether the server is down or not. Move into Safari and search for gas app outages. From here, you can head over to any of the site. Let me move into this one. In this page, you can check whether the server of gas app is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down and it might be the reason that you're facing the issue. So in this case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. If not, try checking whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If not, you can try using cellular data as well. After that, move into the App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for gas app. Move into this app right here. Instead of open, if you see the option of update, then click on update and update the app. Well, once the application has been up to date, the next thing you can do is move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for gas app and then click on offload app. Once again, tap on offload app. It will clear the gas and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.